Hi, Scott from Celebrity Cars, Sherry Goldstrom, Nostalgia Street Rods, and Kenny Miller from the Rodder Files. We're here to promote Gary Schumacher's Hellkat Trunk or Treat 2023 on October 20th and 21st. That's a Friday and a Saturday. We're here to talk about Friday night. Friday night's adult night. We're going to have tons of food. We're going to have the cars lined up a really cool way in front of the rock and roll stage. Band Speed, I'm in it. My boy Chris Shakino's in it, Mike Powers, Aaron Carroll. We're going to play you 70s, 80s, and 90s music. We're going to have go-go dancers. And we're going to have a nice young lady named Chloe who's going to be doing all kinds of really cool magic tricks. Miss Nevada has heard about this. Gary's been talking to her, and she'd like to be a part of this show on Friday. Yeah, come on down. Bring your rides. The band's going to go on around 6. You should probably show up around 4:30, 5 o'clock. Take the afternoon off that Friday. Come hang out with us. We're gonna have an awesome time. Sherry's gonna bring one of her big trucks. I think. I don't know. That'd be pretty bad.
Yeah. I am.
And Kenny's gonna film the whole thing. You probably watch half of it live at the Rodder Files. It's gonna be super cool. We hope you can make it Friday and Saturday, October 20 and 21st. Gary Schumacher's Hellkats Trunk or Treat 2023.
Trunk
or treat, see you there.
Yeah.
See you there.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I warned you. I warned you on that one.